मैं आपके दरमियान डॉक्टर यूनुस सोलंकी जो कि प्रोफेसर हैं आर.ए. पोदार मेडिकल कॉलेज आयुष के, उनसे मैं दरख्वास्त करूंगी कि वो आपके दरमियान आए और अपने दो अल्फाज कहें। सर के लिए कहना चाहूँगी कि जिनके किरदार से आती है सदाकत की महक, जिनके किरदार से आती है सदाकत की महक, उनकी तदरीस से पत्थर भी पिघल सकते हैं। आइए डॉक्टर सोलंकी।
Thank you, Dr. Sabiha. Dear friends, Mumbai Ayush Medical Practitioners Association. I am associated with this association since its inception. Dr. Etesham, who called me up and made me the member, and I was working closely with these people. But because of my academic association with the institute, I could not actually participate since last 1 or 2 years. But then let me tell you one or two things about Ayush activities you might be aware of. I have been invited for international conferences outside India, but in London, few of the Ayush practitioners in London, they started coming together and they made British Ayurveda Academy, and they started some 1-month refresher course and they invited me as a faculty. In very first such activity, when they invited and after my lecture, they felicited me in the Indian way, this shawl and flower bouquet. So after immediately getting this shawl, I started putting it down. So the main organizer came up rushing and he said, "Sir, this is an honor we are offering you and you have to wear the honor throughout the program and honor us by wearing this honor." So after every program, whenever I am honored with shawl or some kind of a medal, I keep it wearing throughout the program. And I advise all of you, whenever you attend such programs, whatever small honor they have offered you, you have to continue wearing it. So that is one thing. There in British Ayurveda Academy, around 20 participants of 1-month refresher course came and we had to demonstrate various Ayush procedures like Agni Karma and bloodletting. The bloodletting, what is known as a hijama therapy in Unani medicine. I had to demonstrate there practically. And friends, believe me, the political situation changed in India since last 1 decade, and there is one rhetoric commonly said, "Achhe din, achhe din." I don't know achhe din for anything else, but Ayush has got achhe din in last 10 years because this government is promoting Ayush like anything nationally and internationally. The first thing declared was International Yoga Day, and the way yoga is practiced, not only country but internationally. And other Ayurveda therapies also. The herbal medicine, the practice of herbal medicine is promoted like anything. Believe me friends, herbal medicine is very widely practiced across the globe as a Chinese medicine. China is promoting herbal medicine in a multi-billion-dollar industry. And the knowledge of herbal medicine in Chinese traditional medicine, it is known as a TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, is very minuscule compared to what herbal medicine knowledge is hidden in Ayurveda and Unani. And I met one of the marketing expert. What he said, what is the marketing gimmick? What is the success of marketing? Marketing successfully किसे कहते हैं? कि एक अच्छे मार्केटिंग करने वाले को आप मिट्टी दो और वो सोने के भाव बेचकर दिखा दे, वो अच्छा मार्केटिंग एक्सपर्ट है. Friends, Ayurveda and Unani has got a golden treasure trove of traditional medicine knowledge, and we are the very bad marketing doctors because we are selling this golden treasure मिट्टी के भाव. India is not at all on the forefront of traditional medicine export and herbal medicine. We are not cultivating it in a proper way. We are not propagating it in a proper way. Neither we are practicing it. I believe me, the future of medicine lies in herbal medicine. The cure of cancer is hidden in herbal medicine. Somebody has to dig it up. Somebody has to work it seriously, because you might be knowing that Sadafuli, one medicine which was 20 years back, the Sadafuli was proved anti-cancerous, and Dabur India Limited, the traditional herbal medicine company, it has got thousands of acres of cultivation near Delhi and Gurgaon about this Sadafuli. An extract of Sadafuli is formed into one injection for chemotherapy. It is known as a vincristine. Vincristine injection is the famous injection extracted from Sadafuli. Antihypertensive medicine, Sarpina, is derived from Sarpagandha. So that is the power of herbal medicine. Take it as a lifestyle diseases like diabetes, heart disease, atherosclerosis, etc. The treatment is hidden in herbal medicine. We need to tighten our belt, we need to work seriously, and we need to translate our research into the language world understands. And believe me, that will be the first Nobel Award in medicine India would be getting in future. So youngsters has to come up, work out seriously on this type of medicine. And I'm very glad that at least in Mumbai, the Ayush practitioners are coming in one platform and working together and promoting not only the practice but the research activity also. We need to collect even practitioners. We are general practitioners. If in general practice, even 10% also you are using the Ayush medicine, collect the data, keep the evidence ready, and present it on right flora, publish in right journals, and then you will see the change. Slowly we will bring it up. I'm really thankful for the honor you have given me here by inviting. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू वेरी मच डॉक्टर सोलंकी. आपने हमें इतनी अच्छी नॉलेज दी कि हम कितने पिछड़े हुए हैं, और जो हमें चीज़ अवेलेबल है, दस्तयाब है, हम उसकी कद्र नहीं करते, और जो हमें दस्तयाब नहीं है हम उसके पीछे भाग रहे हैं. हम मट्टी को सोने के भाव में बेच रहे हैं और सोने को मट्टी में मिला रहे हैं, है ना.